This is a U.S. Revolver Company 38 Smith & Wesson, and it's basically a second model Iver Johnson. And when I got this gun, it had an issue that would not allow it to be fired. And I'm going to explain to you what it was and what I did to get it fixed. Right in there you will see the firing pin nut, and the one that was in it when I got the gun was broken to two pieces. So I went on the internet and found this one, and basically to get this thing installed you're going to need snap ring pliers. My dad had a pair I used, and that way you will be able to get that firing pit nut installed. Now the gun is functioning properly, and I have shot 3 boxes of ammo through it. One thing I noticed is that it came loose after shooting it, and I had to put blue Loctite on it and re-put it back in. And now, as I've been shooting it through those 3 boxes of ammo, it has stayed in. So that is one of the issues that if you come across when you buy one of these guns, you may have to face. Other than that, the gun has been actually a really good little gun. It shoots just fine. Hope this video has helped y'all out. Have a good day. Be safe.